Hello gentle YouTube people, let's do a little unboxing. This is something I got on eBay, and it's a load of Hornby Christmas items. Well, today is January the 8th, so it's something I bought hopefully at a reduced price, since it didn't sell over Christmas. He was asking a little bit too much. He lowered his prices a little bit, but maybe not into real bargain territory. I didn't pay too much for these. Let's have a look. They're quite well packed. Some newspaper, some foam. Oh, that doesn't sound. We have a loose weight in that one. That one sounds better. That sounds okay. Oh, this one even comes in a box. That's exciting. Let's see what we've got. We'll start with the rattly one first. So, typical cheap Hornby 1970s design, Santa's sleigh in transit van with a rattle. So, what have we got? Metal wheels, that's good. Made in China. Yeah, just 4 clips on the end here. I'll attempt to glue that weight down before I pack it for next Christmas. Number 2 should be one of their Hornby present trucks, doubly wrapped. A bit of sellotape. Oh, that's quite difficult to open. Get the penknife in. So yeah, again, the 1970s piece of Hornby design with the standard resin presents insert and its North Pole. So this is from a train set. It's not one of the dated ones that they put out every Christmas with the year, which tend to go for quite ridiculous amounts of money. So this is a bit of a cheap one. Metal wheels again. Can't see where it's made, but it's for sure China. It's funny, they're all slightly differently packed, these, but still pretty well done. I'm sure this happened before the thing got posted. Just like Christmas, and it's a Hornby Coca-Cola with the American Coca-Cola Santa on the side. Now, I do already have one of these, but you know, these are quite nice. The printing is pretty good. It's a kind of step up from this one, really. Again, metal wheels, made in China. No problems. And finally, the one with the box, the original box. And it's reindeer in transit. I won't bother getting this one out on camera because, well, it's more or less the same as this, but with a slightly different colour. What does it say on the end? Santa's reindeer wagon. So, something to store away for the excitement of next Christmas. Thank you for watching, please, and you know what I mean. Take care, see you soon.